Hello folks and welcome back. On this episode we're going to install a Haloview camera on the back of a Jayco flight trailer. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. My son has a J Flight trailer by Jayco, and we decided we were going to put one of the Haloview backup cameras on his trailer since it works so well on my Casita. So this is a short little video to show you how we did that. Now this is the camera and the display all in the box, and it has all the mounting hardware. Now on the back of his trailer, you'll see it comes pre-wired for another brand of camera, which I think the Haloview is a better camera. But the nice thing about it is when you take their mount off, it has the pigtail already sticking out here, plus the 4 holes, which we'll use as the same 4 holes. And we'll just plug our camera into it, and then we're ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean off the area where the camera actually goes. And then you'll see I've put sealant on the holes to seal the holes up. And then once we get it mounted, we'll go ahead and put sealant across the top to seal it there. Now we hooked the wires up, we stuffed them in. We put the screws in, and now all we have to do is put the sealant across the top. We've hooked the antenna up, and it is literally that simple. And the camera is now installed on his trailer. We're going to go up. We'll hang the mount inside the truck. You'll see that we've got it mounted. They even supply you with the hardware to mount that to your windshield. And you can see he now has a backup camera for his Jayco flight. It is literally that easy to install. Well, we want to thank you for watching and thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the campground.